In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display. Then scroll down again and click on easy mode. Over here. Now click on gray switcher next to it to activate it. And wait. As you can see, after that, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, access the same settings. Hit easy mode in display section and tap on the no blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!